my channel. So we're back for another first impressions. Oh, this is a big box. So this is the Lumi collection from L'Oreal. I had asked you guys on Instagram, yes, on a poll, if you guys wanted to see a first impressions tutorial using this, and you guys overwhelmingly, I think it was like 90% said yes. So we are going to jump into all of these products. This is a bunch of glow products, and if you've been following me for a while, you know my heart is with the glow. Let's go through all of this stuff quickly before we start. I have obviously eyebrows and eye makeup on, but this is all face stuff, so yeah, let's jump in. First we have the L'Oreal True Match Glow Lotion. Ooh, that's a cute name. And this first one is in the color 901. It says Dot, Blend, and Glow. It can be applied under makeup to use as a highlighter, alone. Oh, and the darker shades you can use to contour as well, which is pretty cool. So that is it right there. Let's just go ahead. Ooh, it feels very cooling actually. I wasn't expecting that. Oh wow, actually that's really pretty. It's very subtle. This is gonna be beautiful, I feel like, under makeup, like a MAC strobe cream type of thing. Here's my hand with, nice and healthy, and without. Next is the 902 Light Glow. It's it right there, and then I did wipe my hand off before doing this so you guys can see what each one looks like. It's probably going to be the one that I use for all over before I start my makeup. Next we have Medium Glow, and this is 903. Where are you? Can't see you on the monitor. There we are. Maybe I'll use that one. I'm gonna glow up my skin a little bit. And next shade we have 904 Deep Glow. Ooh, this is pretty. Maybe I will try to use this as like a, not a contouring, but sort of a bronzing before I start my makeup. Look at that. Next up we have two shades, and these are called Lumi Glow Amore. And this is in the shade 508 and 507. And this one says, drop, mix, luminize, shake well before use, apply alone or mix with makeup or skincare, ooh, for an all over glow. So this might be really pretty in the summer. Like mixed with a moisturizer. So let's try the deeper one first. I will say my hand actually feels really moisturized. A little bloop. This one's really beautiful as well. This definitely has that dry oil texture. The other ones feel more, like I said, like a moisturizer or like a MAC strobe cream. This is the 507. Now this is more of a pinky highlight, pinky white. Ooh, that's really glowing. Wow. So these ones I think are a little bit more intense than the others. Look at that. Beautiful. The first thing that I saw when I opened up this PR package was these guys right here, because it is a loose glow, and I have yet to see, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but I have yet to see a loose sort of highlighter at the drugstore. So I think this is really cool. This is the Lumi Shimmerista. Ooh. This first one is in Moonlight Glow, number 505. Let's try this out. Ooh, okay, L'Oreal. Wow, this is really beautiful. It's like really reflective. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, all right, I'm excited about that. All right, let's also try this color, 506 Skin Light. There. Ooh, this is like a beautiful rose gold. Let me put a little bit on, a little bit more on. It is beautiful. And next we have these highlighting palettes, 750 Sun Kiss, and they're called the Lumi Glow Nudes. Let's go. Okay, so these are, right off the bat, are the least, like, they're pretty underwhelming, if you ask me. Do one like really good finger. Yeah, they're kind of powdery, or actually very powdery. So this one is not my favorite. Everything else I've swatched so far seems really beautiful, but we'll try it on the face and see if it performs any better. Let's just clip this out of the way for now. And let's do the 902 Light Glow on the face to prime. Grab the Deep Glow, and then let's put that right where we typically would bronze. Put that in. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Ooh, I'm really liking this so far. It's so hydrating, and it has like a nice stick to it, so I feel like it's gonna be like a great all-in-one, a great primer, a great luminizer to start off your base. I'm gonna pick up my E Pro foundation in the shade Medium. This foundation is pretty hydrating already. Most of my foundations are, just because I tend to be on the dry side, but it's laying over really nicely, and I still can see that glow peeking through. We are on a good start, guys. I do want to try the little Glow Amore as well. So let's just drop a couple on our face right here. I'm going to use my Morphe G40 to blend this out. Oh wow, it's actually more glowy on the skin than I thought. It's that wet, beautiful glow. Ooh, yeah, you can totally see it on camera. Sometimes it's really hard, even with the cameras and all the expensive lighting equipment, but this is definitely showing up. This is going to be something that I use now, but for sure in the summer, when I just want to be fresh and dewy and glowy. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Studio Shaping. It's going now. This is actual foundation, but I love it to contour. And I still haven't cleaned. If you watched my previous video when I dropped all the foundation, I'm still finding foundation everywhere. If you guys are interested in how to contour your lips a little bit more in depth, why you should or shouldn't do it, you can check out this info card and it will lead you right to the video. Soften this up. Alexi Mini Taper to soften these lines up. Having the Tarte Shape Tape in light, medium, honey. On the forehead. To set the under eyes, I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Colorless Powder. Just gonna really focus on setting right here because I don't want any of that glow to go away. Plus we're gonna hit it with that powder highlight. Cut that a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a little. I just want to keep everything look really glowy and dewy and fresh, so not too much. I did put a little bit of powder, but just a little bit. I actually don't even think I'm going to set this. I think it looks really beautiful and dewy. Again, I'm not an oily girl, so I can kind of get away with not setting my whole face. Plus, it just looks like youthful and delicious. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to pop a little bit of blush on though. These are the Jouer Flirt Blush Duo. So you just want to put that right inside that pocket. Like a little hot pocket. Oh, I really am loving these from Jouer. They're so pretty. I love blush. I love lamp. Give this video a thumbs up. On to the really fun stuff. I think we baked long enough. Let's throw this guy off. All right, these I'm really excited to try. This one we're gonna use first, the 506. Plop it on, let's see. Do you guys see that? Wow. So this is so beautiful. I will say though, I don't know if you guys can see, but since it's more of a pink highlighter, it has a lot of like rose gold pink undertone, like I said in the beginning. You can see that cast when you're just straightforward. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit. If you had more of a pink toned skin, this might look stunning on you. For me, it does look beautiful when I kind of turn to the side, but you can see that sort of line. I'm just gonna blend that with a bigger brush so you don't see the line of demarcation. So as you can see now, the glow, a lot of that glow goes away, but actually this might be a beautiful cheek topper. I'm just gonna take a little bit on a blush brush and just hit my cheek. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is, if you're my sort of a complexion, or if you just don't have like a real pinky undertone complexion, I would use this as like a cheek topper, which I think is beautiful. Let's do it on the other side as well. Oh yeah, okay, that's really pretty. Now this one, the 505, let's try this guy. Okay, so maybe because this one is lighter, this I don't get that cast. Add a little more, see how far we can take it. I mean, it's really pretty. So the more you pack it on, the more sort of color you get. Wow, look at that in the monitor. Or what you guys are seeing. Let's grab a little bit. I didn't even set my face, and these are like really popping to the skin. They're more of like an iridescent finish. They're not like a sparkly highlight. Oh my god, I think I went a little bit crazy. let's go ahead and try these. I didn't really love the way they swatched, but we'll see on the face. And let's try it, I guess, on the forehead. I think I'm gonna do this nude shade right here. Sometimes I do use a little bit more of a subtle highlight on the brow bone, but this is even a little bit too subtle for my liking. I'm gonna go ahead and plop some lips on, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. And we're back. So if I would pick up anything out of this collection, I would definitely pick up these, and I wouldn't just pick up one, I would pick up a couple because I think it's beautiful to bronze up the face. One, the lightest shade I could even work with the high points of my face, mixing it in a moisturizer to put on over your body. I think these are so beautiful. The Lumi Glow Lotion, love. The Lumi Shimmerista in the color 506 is going to be a beautiful blush topper. Again, if you have a certain kind of complexion, you can probably use it as a highlight. This would be beautiful on the body. And then these oil drops, the Glow Amour, I really loved these, but I would say these are the star of the show. It's like a very inexpensive MAC strobe cream, and they feel beautiful. My foundation sat really nice over top this as well. So yeah, all in all, I'm really impressed. Definitely have some winners. These, there's another one in here, but I literally can't get it out of the box. It's this, but it's Sister. It's like a cooler tone one. These I would skip, not my favorite, very powdery. Everything else across the board was really beautiful though. So yeah guys, that's it for my L'Oreal Lumi collection review slash first impressions slash demo. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and share the hell out of this video if you liked it. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.